Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We know that so many brides have been affected by COVID-19 and they wanted to have a professional beauty team there, but they're not able to due to all of the corona craziness. So we want to help you out by showing you some quick and easy bridal styles that you can do on yourself and they will look amazing. So let's get into it. One tip that I would first off recommend is my hair is dirty. The reason I left it a little bit dirty is because it will help your style hold a lot better. It gives your hair a little bit more grit. The first thing that I'm going to do is apply dry shampoo. Today I'm using the IGK Jet Lag, and I'm just going to part my hair off just a little bit and then spray it in everywhere. And then my crown area, I like to bring a section forward, spray it, and then go down in my crown just a little bit. And then I'm just going to massage that into my scalp a little bit to make sure it gets in there really well. And now my hair has a lot more volume. The next thing I'm going to do is just put some waves in my hair. Having some curls or waves will give you a lot more texture and help an updo or any style just look a little bit more put together and fuller. So especially if you have fine or thin hair, some waves and curl will make it look a lot thicker. So today I'm going to be using the 1 1/4 inch Babyless Pro curling iron, and all of the products will be linked in the description below so you can find this there as well. Also, for the step-by-step tutorial on how I curl my hair, you can find it in the description below. The next step I'm going to be doing is I'm going to apply texture spray to my hair. Today I'm using the Fat Boy Tousled and Go texture spray, and I'm just going to apply it all over my hair. This is going to help my style stay better, and it will also help my curls be more defined as I do different styles. I'm just going to run my fingers through my hair to loosen a little bit. The next step that I'll be doing is I will tease the crown of my head. This makes a huge difference in a wedding style or updo because it gives you that good little bump that makes it look super put together and professional. I'm just gonna go to the crown of my hair and brush it all a little bit back. I'm gonna take a small section and then I'm just going to back comb it. I'm also going to tease both sides a little bit. Just doing the same exact steps, back combing. And now I'm just going to lightly brush over it to smooth it all out and make it look really good. This bridal style is perfect for a bride who wants their hair to be all down but still wants something just a little different than normal. So today I'm going to be using this really pretty bridal accessory comb. You can also use any type of bobby pin or bridal accessory that you prefer. So I'm going to start by pulling the right side of my hair up just a little bit, being sure to leave some hair covering my ear. Whichever side you part on, you want to pull up whatever side has less hair, so that way you leave a ton of hair on the other side and it makes your hair look really full. Then I'm just going to take my accessory and I'm going to clip it in. This style is very simple, but it just adds a little bit of sparkle for your big day. The next style I'm going to be showing you guys is for a bride who wants to wear their hair half up. It's super cute and easy, so let's get into it. I'm going to start off by pulling my bangs out a little bit. This is perfect if you have some face framing. It'll give you a nice amount of loose hair around your face. And then right behind that, I'm going to take a small section and pull it out. I'm going to split it into 3 and start doing a small French braid. As soon as I get about 2 inches above my ear, I'm going to stop pulling hair in, and I'm just going to braid it all the way down. And then just sliding a bobby pin through it to hold that braid in. And then doing the same thing on the other side. And then securing that braid again with a bobby pin. So as you can see, I've created these 2 small braids on either side, and then the next thing I'm going to do is just create a small bump. I previously teased my hair for the last style, so I'm just going to clip it up a little bit, and I'll show you guys how to do it. I'm just going to gather a small amount in the crown of my head. And then I'm going to pull tiny sections to make it look a little bit fuller. And then I'm just going to secure that with a bobby pin. After I've secured it with a bobby pin, I'm going to continue pulling small sections just to give myself a little bit more body. Now I'm going to move back to my braids, and I'm going to spray a small amount of texture spray onto them. And then I'm just going to start pulling on them to make them look a lot fuller and bigger. Be sure to hold right below where you're pulling so that you keep the same shape of that braid and it doesn't go crazy. Don't be afraid to pull on it quite a bit. The more you pull, the fuller your braid will look. Okay, now that I have pancaked my braids, I'm just going to pull them and kind of put them in place a little bit, making sure that it looks really good all the way around. And then to pin it, I'm just going to take that last bit and push it in to the other bobby pins that I've previously placed. Okay, after I have bobby pinned them, I'm just going to spray my hair a little bit and smooth out any flyaways. Also, this is a perfect hairstyle to wear a really pretty hair accessory with, or you can place your veil right in the crown. So it's perfect for all of you brides. This next hairstyle is a updo, so it's perfect for you brides who want your hair all up. The first thing I'm going to do is gather my hair near the nape of my neck and smooth it out. And then I'm just going to pull small amounts to give myself a little bit more dimension and body. And then I'm going to secure it with an elastic. On that last one, only pulling it halfway through, and then wrapping the excess hair around and tucking it into the band. After we do that, I'm just going to create a small hole right above my elastic, and then I'm going to tuck my hair through it. It might take a little bit of pushing and tugging. I'm just going to loosen up the bottom just a little bit to create a little bit more dimension. Now that I've loosened it a little bit, I still have a small hole above, so I'm going to take a bobby pin and just cover it up a little bit. I'm just going to pin it to make sure I close that hole fully, and then depending on what you prefer or not, you can put a bridal accessory right here, or you can just pin your veil right. This is such a fun and easy style, and we cannot wait to see you try it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Our hearts are with so many brides who have had to change their plans due to COVID-19. So we hope this video is helpful to you guys, and we will see you guys in the next video.